Hello everyone, in this video we're going to have a look at the Maruti van which was abandoned but has been restored and customized to meet our needs. Now just a brief history about the van. Actually the previous owner had planned to make this into a street food van. So the body had been cut out but during the COVID years and lockdown, so the plan was abandoned and I got this at a cheap rate. So I had to do some modifications and restoration, but it's serving the purpose very well. And you can see the hood and the partition inside. These has been taken from my Gypsy, the inspiration. So you can see the Gypsy beside me. The hood is the same hood, and the partition, if you had seen my earlier video, some of the features I've implemented here also. So let's have a look at the features of this van one by one. We're at the front cabin now, and as you can see everything is the same here. The only change here is that we have added this partition here which separates the loading area from the front cabin. We have added this glass here. This is fixed, and you can see what's happening behind. This is a solid partition here, and the battery we had to shift it towards the front from a regular van. So this is the one modification we had to do. And as you can see, you have ample space between your seat and the partition here, so you can easily stock up your bags or personal belongings here. And even here also we have added this fans here, so during the hot days when it gets hot, you can easily put on the fan and it's very comfortable. We also have these side glass in the front cabin, so it's very much visible. And even the ceiling also, we have added an insulated ceiling, so it's quite comfortable for the driver and the passenger in the front cabin. We can have a look at the back now. Let's have a look at the loading area now, and it is very spacious all the way from here, from where the partition and the hood starts, all the way till the rear here. And you can see that the hood has a very large window here with a transparent sheet and with a velcro fitting here. So this can be easily opened and folded if required. And this has also been secured with a system like this, because we've noticed that when the wind blows, this opens up by itself. So this is very secure now. And let's have a look at the rear now. So even here also we have a transparent sheet here, which from the rear view mirror you can easily see what's happening behind. Here also we have a velcro system with a zip to secure it in place. So I'll just open this up, and you can see the space here. It's a very spacious area for loading many things here. And I've carried things like agricultural products, leaves, and even pigs also I've loaded in this van. So it's very spacious, very useful, and very practical. I'll just open this Dala here and I'll show you how strong it is. So you open it like this, secure it in place, and this is very strong and sturdy. In fact, I'll stand on top of it and show you. So you can see it can easily take my weight, and if there's something long, you can easily extend this and load things here. So you can just see also it's very spacious, and you can easily load stuff also here. Not too heavy, but something which occupies a lot of volume. So I hope you like this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.